Hayyak! Today is the second video of the Arabic common words you can use every day. If it's your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button to not miss any of our videos. Today we're going to learn some phrases you can use in daily basis in the Gulf countries. Let's jump in and start.
السلام عليكم أخوي وعليكم السلام.
The first phrase was for greeting, and it means peace be upon you. And the word akhoy means my brother. So the phrase is Salam Alikom Akhoy means peace be upon you, my brother. And if someone comes to you and say Salam Alikom Akhoy, so your reply will be Wa Alaikum Salam.
كيف حالك؟ بخير.
After the greeting, usually we say Keef halak. Keef halak means how are you? In English, if someone asks you how are you can say I'm fine or you can say I'm good. As well as in Arabic, if someone asks you كيف حالك, you can answer saying بخير. بخير means I'm okay. Or you can say زين. زين means I'm fine. You may ask someone how are you? كيف حالك? Then he replies Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah in our culture means thank God. What if you're not okay and you want to say I'm not okay? If someone asks you كيف حالك, you can say ما في زين. ما في زين means I'm not fine.
توصلت. توي واصل.
In our example dialogue, the first guy asked his friend, when you have arrived. متى وصلت. متى وصلت, when you have arrived. The word متى means when, and وصلت, you have arrived. So the question is متى وصلت, when you have arrived. Then his friend replied Tawy wasel. Tawy wasel means I've just arrived. By speaking about when, there are some ways to ask about the time in Arabic. For example, كم الساعة. كم الساعة means what's the time.
وين ربعك؟ ما وصل بعد. الطريق زحمة وايد.
This part of the conversation he asked about their friend. Weno ربعك? Where is your friend? Weno ربعك? Where is your friend? Then he replied ما وصل بعد. He hasn't reached yet. ما وصل بعد. He hasn't reached yet. There is heavy traffic. طريق زحمة وايد. الطريق زحمة وايد. There is heavy traffic. And now guys, before you go, don't forget to like the video and comment below what Arabic words you need to learn in the coming lessons. See you in coming videos.